So we encountered another blockage, and so we are using some makeshift methods to get the tree out of the road so that the trucks will pass, so we can deliver aids to the people in this community. It's right on the border of St. Elizabeth and St. James, up in the mountains, you know. So great work, hope we get it tied. Let's see, well, should get that done. Well done. This is the genius of the WCK team. We not only deliver aids, we find a way to deliver the aids. There's some movements, we're getting some movements. So one truck, wow, that must be doing some damage to this side of the gentleman truck. He cannot go much to the left. Some movements by the second truck. Now that the second truck has cleared the path, I'm able to show you that he cannot go any further to the left. As you see there, some rain falling, as you see there. Truck just cannot go any more to the left, as the road is very narrow and that's a precipice there. But movements, and we are clear again.